BRVM Composite closed at down 1.6% yesterday to 208 points, and losing sectors were the telecoms and industrials. To review the BRVM market, I'm joined on the line by Nelly Fofana, an analyst at Hudson & Co. Thank you so much, Nelly, for joining us. Nelly, I want to even go back to last week, and we've seen the market come down quite a bit, about 5.5% over the last few sessions. Is this also a story about foreign investors pulling out of the market, or is there anything else at play here?
Actually, the decreasing index is due to the dividend payments of Palmci and Onatel at the beginning of the month. Palmci was last week, and stock prices are going down mechanically.
All right. Well, investors seem to be bullish on the BOA Benin. There are a few buyers for that stock. Can you just talk us through what is currently happening with that stock, BOA?
Yes, investors are bullish because they have good expectations for first semester results, and it's quite often on BOA Benin, a lot of buyers but no sellers.
All right, and if we move on to other sectors, can we just talk through Vivo Energy? They also published good results over the week, and
yes,
we're now seeing a little change in the dynamics there, because they have a low dividend yield. I think the dividend yield for that company is about 1.9%, but then the stock is up 3.3%. So why the strong interest in a low dividend paying stock?
Yes, this is an interesting reaction on the market, because usually the BRVM is highly driven by the dividends. But now we can see that the market is becoming more efficient with Vivo Energy, because the company published good results last week, and despite the low yield of 1.9%, the stock is up 3%. So it means that investors are moving toward a more efficient market. And we see that the stock price remains above 30,000 CFA.
All right. I think in some other news, we had SocGen subsidiary release numbers. The net banking income was 60.7 billion CFA. Now that's up 12% compared to the previous period. How is this stock performing? How are investors reacting to this one?
Actually, the announcement was made yesterday, so I think today stock prices will go up because the results are really good. As you said, PAT is up 46%, and they developed very well the banking activity, and they also manage their costs very well. So this explains the really increasing results.
All right, thank you so much.
Also, the company is paying a dividend per share of 6,350 CFA, yielding 9.38%, which is fairly high.
Okay.
So we think it's real interest.
Okay.